Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. Alrighty, we are going to be working on conversions for the ASVAB. So it says there are 2 pints in 1 quart and 4 quarts in a gallon. How many pints are in 2 gallons? So what we're going to do is we're going to start with what's given. Okay. So we're starting with 2 gallons. Now we need to cancel out the gallons because we're trying to get to pints. But they told us 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So we know 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Okay. Now we need to cancel quarts to get to pints. Well, 1 quart, because they told us 1 quart is 2 pints. Now here is very important because we canceled out gallons with gallons, quarts with quarts, and we're left with pints. So now we can multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we would do 2 times 4 times 2, which would give us 16 pints. And B is our answer. Alrighty, let's go to the next. 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Sergeant Jeffries walked 1.2 miles. What distance in feet did the sergeant walk? So we're going to always start with what we're given. We're given 1.2 miles, so 1.2 miles. Now we want to cancel miles. So they told us 1 mile is equal to 5,280 feet. Our miles cancel. So now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 5,280 times 1.2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Put your placeholder down because you're moving over. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 5 is 5. Then we add down. So we get 0, 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8, 9, 10. Yep, 13. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have 1 digit after the decimal. So we're going to put it right here. And our answer is going to be 6,336 feet he walked. Alrighty, let's go to the next. Number 3, a half a pint of cream is what part of a gallon? All right, so we're always going to start with what they've given us. They said a half a pint, okay? Now, this is what you have to have memorized. There's 2 pints in 1 quart, okay? And there's 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So now that we know pints and pints cancel, quarts and quarts cancel, we can just multiply our numerator and our denominator. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And we're going to do 2 times 2 times 4. And that's going to give us 1/16. So C is our answer. Alrighty, let's go to the next. Number 4 says, how many 1 quart cans can be filled from 25 gallons of paint? Well, if we start with 25 gallons, okay, there in 1 gallon, it's equal to 4 quarts. So gallon cancels, and so we will multiply 25 times 4. Well, think about 25 quarters equals 100, $1. So how many 1 quart cans can be filled? C, 100 of them. Alrighty. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support by liking, sharing whoever is struggling, trying to pass the ASVAB, share this out with them. And pause the video at this point. Let's go to the next problem. Try it yourself. See if you get it right. Alrighty. Number 5. On a map drawn to scale, a half an inch equals 1 mile. What length on the map equals 5 miles? So, for my visual learners, what we can do is we can draw out 5 miles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's do 5. Now it says half an inch equals 1 mile. Well, so we could put a half here, a half here, a half in each of these 1 miles. And then we can add them all up. So a half plus a half equals 1, and a half plus a half equals 1. So we would be left with 2.5, which in decimal form, remember a half is always 0.5. So it would be 2.5. So A would be our answer. Alrighty, thank you so much for supporting me by watching this video, liking, subscribing, and I most definitely will catch you on the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.